What were you doing in 1959? Well, if you're like me, you weren't alive. But if you were alive and living anywhere near the community of Kent, Washington, you may have been getting tires or service for your car at the newly opened East Hill Auto Shop. Over 60 years later, that shop, opened by Larry Albrecht, is East Hill Tire Point S, and it's run by Larry's sons, Jeff and Rob Albrecht. And the family tradition of giving great service continues. East Hill Tire Point S has been voted Best in Kent by readers of the Kent Reporter for over 5 straight years. As a Point S shop, East Hill Tire offers a wide selection of quality tires for your car, truck, or SUV. But tires are not all that they do. Their ASE certified technicians can fix or service almost anything with your vehicle, whether it's foreign or domestic. They also have a comfortable waiting room with TV and Wi-Fi if it's a quick repair. So if you're searching for a friendly and dependable auto shop, look no further than the place with over 60 years of family ownership. Go to East Hill Tire Point S on 104th Avenue at 252nd in Kent. Make an appointment today. You'll be glad you did.